The F-35 program right now is currently, we have over 370 aircraft globally fielded in 16 different bases in 6 different countries internationally. We've trained over 700 pilots and 7,000 maintainers to maintain these aircraft in their country with sovereignty, and have flown over 170,000 flying hours. We are driving the cost of the aircraft down. By 2020, the aircraft will be less than $80 million a copy. We want to keep it down to that level, which is comparable to a 4th generation fighter. Once the aircraft is bought, you have to operate it. Operational costs are coming down also. Over the last 3 years, we've reduced the cost by 15% on the industry side. Our plan is by 2025, have an aircraft that costs $25,000 US dollars per flying hour. 5th generation aircraft is not stealth alone. It's stealth, but more importantly, it's the sensors on board we have on this aircraft. The sensors that work in a passive and an active range. And how the aircraft brings all the data from the sensors together, fuses the information, and lets the pilot see everything going on without asking for it. At the same time, the aircraft are also smart. The F-35s talk to each other and share data. If one pilot's looking at an air-to-ground radar, another pilot's looking at air-to-air radar, they both see each other's radar inside one picture. Belgium, our newest customer, is buying 34 aircraft. They'll get their first aircraft delivered in 2023 and last aircraft in 2030. And they will be one of the keys to NATO's defense.
Our collaboration with the Belgium industry started back in the 1970s when Belgium was awarded the first engine assembly facility in Europe. And it was awarded to TechSpace Aero, who is now part of Safran Aero Boosters. And they became the first maintenance, repair, and overhaul facility for the F-16 engine for all of Europe. That TechSpace Aero shortly became part of Safran Aero Boosters, and when Safran Aero Boosters took over the business, the F-100 or the F-16 engine business moved to the Belgium Engine Center. And Belgium Engine Center, up to today, continues to provide all the engine technical and services for F-16 engines throughout the world. You may know the U.S. government has a lot to do with the sustainment of that aircraft, so it's not up to Pratt Whitney to make decisions on where maintenance, repair, and overhauls or repair capability or sustainment of the engine goes. That is left mostly to the U.S. government. We work with the U.S. government to identify opportunities and suppliers and companies that can provide that, but currently it is not up to Pratt & Whitney to decide. We work with the industry in Belgium to identify the appropriate suppliers that can provide all that work, and we will identify and put them on a short list to make sure that they are included in all the opportunities that come forward.